Nice little video of the Kings. Oh, don't worry, it gets a lot worse than that. Then it goes onto the hood. Nice scratches all the way around. It goes to the fender, the other one, all the way around. Has the whole fender, and then to the door, all the way, and then out to the back. You can see it's still there, all the way. Finally ends at the doorknob. Then it comes back again, this panel. You can see it right there. Comes up and ends at the gas cap.